What's going on, YouTube? This is Raymond with another episode at Grind Reloaded. We gonna reload the grind. We back to it. We back to the videos, back to showing you guys the magic in action. I have still been performing the magic. It just hasn't been on camera. So I wanted to show you what I picked up today. This is gonna be over here at IAA in Loganville. Picked this truck up for $450. This thing is clean cosmetically. Very, very sharp truck. Has brand new tires, practically. All of the fluids were topped off. So interior really ain't that bad. So if something happens, when I get it to the lot and we put it on the road, it would surprise me if something is wrong with it. So we'll see, at least something majorly. There's always something wrong with something when you buy for $450, but it's just, can it be fixed cheaply? We got that one for $450, and then we got this one for $450. Buick LaCrosse. I think this is a LaCrosse. Yeah, Buick LaCrosse 2005. Does have the other tire in the trunk. Close that down. So nice. They had some aftermarket wheels on it. Only thing that I saw cosmetically wrong is this door handle here needs to be put back on, but it's still intact. As far as the body, there's no dings or dents in it anywhere on the exterior, and for my lot, that's what people want to see. They don't care about high miles as long as the car runs and drives, but cosmetically they have to be able to look at it. So we got a little issue with this tire here. I think that tire is low, but besides that, interior of this car really ain't too bad either. Got a couple faded buttons, run and drive. This was a Title Max repo. That's all I pretty much buy at IAA. Don't buy anything else. I don't do any salvage or anything like that. But we got this car for $450 today. So again, we'll put it on the road when we get it to the lot and see what we got. So that's the score for today. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully I will hit you guys. And again, we're gonna follow these cars. So I'm gonna show you what I sell them for. I'm gonna show you all of that stuff. So there's 100% transparency, man. And what I also wanna talk about is days on market. You know, one thing about me is I'm transparent with my days on market. It's one thing to sell a car for profit, but how long did it take you to sell that car? I mean, that thing is nice. That's a nice truck. That is a nice truck. Nissan Pathfinder, $450. Even so, here's also another thing that you guys need to know about me. My prices that I pay for cars are so low that I can't get stuck with them. I can't get stuck with that truck. And here's why I can't get stuck with it. All right, yeah, so my storage was full, and so it turned off the video. But the reason I cannot ever get stuck with a car is because I'm a dealer. And that's one of the perks of being a dealer, man. You're never stuck with a car. You're never stuck with the car because you have more strategies than the average person. We have auctions every single day. So if that Nissan Pathfinder turns out to have a blown motor, here's what I do know. It runs today, which means when I get it to my lot, I put it on the road, it's bad, I'm gonna take it straight to my auction, right down the street from my lot. And guess what? I'm gonna get my money back. So you have to know how to buy the cars as far as the value that you put in the car based upon the amount of diagnostic you're able to do. If you're able to drive the car on the road and spend some time with the car, then yeah, you can value that car higher because you know what it is. But with a car like this from IAA, you can't value that car properly because you can't drive it. Now you can crank it in some occasions now in Atlanta with the car starter guy. you know, but you still can't drive it. There's nothing like putting it on the road, going through the gears, taking it up to rev, taking it up to speed, bringing it back down. I mean, that is really important, right? But so if you can't do that, you have to watch your numbers and know what the heck you're doing. So we got those 2 cars today, and I am so happy that I'm reloading the grind with y'all and that I'm getting back into it on the videos. I mean, I do this every day, but we're gonna start back doing the videos. And just so you know, we ain't on no craziness, right? You got 2 titles, right? So we got 2 cars, got 2 titles. IAA, the beautiful thing about them is that they give you titles at the time of sale. That must be an odometer discrepancy. That's a major odometer discrepancy, because this odometer is saying 149. And on the car, it's not 149. Do you have a discrepancy? They exempt it to me. Yeah, that's an odometer discrepancy. This one makes sense. And then so we paid $450. Now I'm giving you the bid amounts, okay? Everybody knows you have fees with auctions. So the bid amount for both of the cars were $450. So my subtotal on how much I paid for the specific car is $900 for both of the cars. Added on to the fees, my total payment was $1,218 with all of the fees included. Okay, so that's transparency there, showing you what it is and what it be. So I'm excited, man. Let's get these cars back to the lot and let's go make some money. So I'm going to show y'all what's going to happen over the next couple of days with these 2 cars. Today is Valentine's Day, so transportation is squeamish. Is it squeamish? Skimpy is the word. Very skimpy. People are taking their wives out for Valentine's Day. I talked to one of my transporters, like, man, listen, I'm taking my wife out, man. I'm like, dude, can you just come over here and get these cars? Because at 4:30, they close the gate. But people are taking their wives out for Valentine's Day. My wife and I will be at our house for Valentine's Day with our almost 4-month-old son. So that's my Valentine's Day. All right, guys, peace. Talk to you soon, and I'll keep you posted on the numbers on these 2 vehicles. Peace.